My name is Fandi Ahmad Aldinata, number 2021-11018. Capital structure determinant and its influence to value of the firm. Abstract. Every year, wholesale and retail industry in Indonesia always grow positively. Even in the Asia Pacific region is the fastest. Therefore, investors see this as one of promising investment, but Indonesia Capital Market Director data indicates that most of wholesale and retail combined is a high-risk company defined by company capital structure. Because of that, before making decision to investor need to analyze financial report to now determine of capital structure and its influence the value of the firm. Analysis was performed using financial statement data of 21 wholesale and retail combined rates on Indonesia Stock Exchange in 2008 until 2012. Using path analysis to see the direct and indirect influence on dependent variable with probability and frame size. Two dependent variable follow of the frame and capital structure. And whether the capital structure is an intervening variable result of analysis before that is the independent variable simultaneously and partially significant influence to capital structure, but it doesn't significant into fashion to fall of the frame. But if the top capital structure then is partially and simultaneously significant influence to follow of the frame, it means the capital structure is performed as an independent variable. Introduction. The growth of wholesale and retail industry in Indonesia is increasing every year. Even in the Asia Pacific region, it's in industry with rapid growth. The growth is worth the income per capita, people people housing power as and world and retail infrastructure which always grow. Even the high market growth is reasonable if investors see this a business opportunity and wholesale and retail industry become on the promising investment from the standpoint of investor data. Indonesia Capital Market Director in the period 2008 until 2012 show that wholesale and retail combined with average the growth before investing. Investor must do financial analysis to see how the combined financial position on perform. In financial analysis, investor will analyze financial statement. In the financial statement, investor will find information about the company capital structure. The capital structure is of covered from and combination of the debt and equity in the combined along the financial structure. The company which operator as its typical then in quarter means that the company is high level risk company. High capital structure is Journal Manajemen Keuangan 2015 to capital structure with debit quality like inscription then. One data from Indonesia Capital Market Director in the prior to 2000 11 until 2012 suffered a debt in the retail company Missile. Their developed then schedule as a retail company it is considered as company with high risk of risks. It therefore scale to analysis to determine the influence to capital structure and how its influence to the value of frame weight determined as is liquid profitability and main phases. Literature review. The capital structure is a permanent promotion speed. They cover the need of corporate spending, a thing for obtained from a combination of score. The comes from weight and the outside the company it should reflect the balance between debt and equity. So of fund that comes from outside in a base from land or the short and long term will the score of fund from the capital then from equity your capital then entering and differences. The capital structure is divided into the percent based debt and equity where the sum debt and equity is created for the of the firm. The capital structure be calculates toward debt to equity ratio (DER) combines that have a therefore means the doing operation the company assumed debt and it meant that the company is not liquid and basic level. Research method. Research decision the research also class design. It is looking for direct and indirect relativism or influence between the variable of liquidity, profitability, and frames used to capital structure and flow of the firm. Analysis method this study will be using to Stegland as a square textual analysis method to examine the effect the role of individual journal management keuangan 2015 9 between liquidity profitability and the size of company the for the firm with capital structure and improving using that analysis David in statement of financial position the result department of financing asset as of the firm liabilities as the fund financing. Result and discussion. The level of current data from 81 data is 0,68 and this is 10,2. The level follow axis BPT Heroes per market in 2012 and the X follow assessed by PT Twira in Study in 2009. The effect for fell of the current ratio is 2,17 Western per definition value is 1,9. It means that walls and retail combine if able to prime short-term obligation to time the great then the obligation also that the combine is a liquid combines. The lowers fall of return on equity from 81 that is 0,002 and the X is 0,81. The levels follow axis PT Inti Perkasa segment in 2008 and the hits follow axis PT Matahari Putra Prima in 2010. The effect follow of the rod is 0,14 with standard deviation fall is 0,13. This fall index falls and retail combine have an effect that often on quite upward 13 until 14%. Yeah. The overcap follow and state definition show no major fluctuation in the plus and retail combined. The lowest value of total asset from Act 1 that is 0,04 and the Act 4 is 11,42. The lowest follow axis BIPT International International Tipika in 2012. And the Hague follow Express PBT Matahari Putra Prima in 2010. The effect fall of total asset is 2,15. The standard definition follow is 2,49. The lowest follow of the ratio from Act 1 data is 0,10 and the Act fall is 23,94. The levels fall observed by PT axis reversed in 2000 and the big fall 2009 and the big fall observed by PT Permata Sakti Prima Tipika in 2008. The award fall the order 2,1446 with standard definition for is 3,83. The overfall of the AR so that wholesale and retail combined is combined with the level of rates because of the AR value with than 1. The lowest value of stock return from AcT1 data is 2009 and the X value accepted by PT Mitra Adi Perkasa Tipika in 2010. The effect value of return is 0,33 with standard definition for is 0,77. Standard definition for is greater than the effect value. This indicates there is fluctuation in wholesale and retail combined stock return. Set on the result of the analysis above, the relation between independent variable and dependent variable in the equation 3.6 until 3.8 can be described as Patch diagram analysis. Below is a structural equation format from the convention in our model. Significant fall equation 4.1 and 4.3 is smaller than 0.05, while significant fall equations 4 to 4.2 is greater than 0.05. Conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion drawn by this study are variable of equity profitability and frame this simultaneously and practically prove significant advanced capital structure variable. Partial the variable of liquid has negative influences to capital structure variable. The variable of profitability has positive influence to capital structure variable, and the variable of ranges is negative influence to capital structure variable. Variable of liquidity profitability frame this simulation and particularly pivot significantly not influence to the variable follow of prime variable of capital structure is often as an intervening variable that is influence the relation between the variable of liquid with profitability and prime is to follow of the prime variable. Variable of profitability is the most dominant variable influence capital structure variable followed by liquid variable and frame just variable. From further the rest in recommended lowest and longer priority in order The is the number of symbol and it's recommended to cause under another variable to be studied considering the configuration of the determination variable from this study only affect the capital figure of 37.2% and a fast fall of the frame of 11.1% when doing a selection of the object of study. Make sure that object of study is saying financial statement for 10 years so that the sample that is bigger. Object of study is recommended to select company this in of the track of the action. Thank you.